Hi there, you guys. It is Tuesday. I know you've seen my little friend here on some of my videos, so I thought I'd introduce you. Her name is Astrid, and she loves to jump in front of my videos. She likes attention. So today you are going to do, let's see, on science. I showed you the wrong project for science, and I apologize. I somehow ended up on second grade. What we're going to do this week for the project is you are going to take a blank piece of paper and you are going to draw lines to make 4 squares like this. Okay, and then you're going to put, if you can remember the weather from yesterday, then you can do yesterday, or you can start today and then also record the weather on Friday. But whatever day you're doing, so if I did Monday yesterday, you would write Monday. And then you're going to record the weather. You can, just like on the weather, whenever you watch it on the news in the mornings, you see they talk about it being windy, breezy, cloudy, cool, cold, warm, hot. Those are all words that you're going to use to describe the weather for the day. Like yesterday was a little cloudy, but it was pretty warm. You can talk about the temperature that it made it to yesterday, or like I said, you can start today and then just go through, but you have to record 4 days. So you can even do it on the weekend days, but I need it by Monday of next week. So just record 4 days of weather and use those vocabulary that you hear on the weather report. Let's see, in math today, you have what they are calling a choice board. So you're on this piece of paper, whenever you click, if you're doing online, whenever you click on your math lessons for the day, it says choice board for April 7th and 9th. So this box right here is April 7th, so you have to pick between task 1 or task 2. Task 1 says, draw a circle, divide it into 4 equal parts, and color each part a different color. So up here is your examples of equal parts. 2 equal parts, 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts. And you'll just take a piece of paper, pick one, and color it to show me the 4 different parts that are equal. Means they're the same size. Then your task number 2 is make or draw a sandwich and divide the sandwich in equally into 3 parts. So you can either do 4 parts with a shape or 3 parts with a sandwich. The key word is equal, so you have to make them look the same size. On your music today, they're asking you to log on to Quaver if you have internet access. If you don't, there should be a music worksheet in your packet. Then for your vocabulary today, not vocabulary, your phonics today, you're going to take your spelling words. Remember, that's with the AR that says R words. And they are going to go on a piece of paper, and you're going to put them in ABC order. That's your phonics for today. Then I showed you thank you Mr. Aesop yesterday. Your child is going to read this today. So you're going to walk them through it. You'll have to tell them probably things like TH, what sound does TH make? Right? So, and then give them the name Aesop. And then as they go through, don't worry about giving them too much help. Give them a minute to think about it, and then give them the word. Whatever it takes to get through the story. And then you can always go back and read it to them after you have gotten them to read it first. This is going to really help them to think through the process of learning to put those sounds together into words, seeing it on the paper, and building their confidence in reading. Then you're going to also, as you go, you're going to stop in the middle and ask them how did the people first learn about Aesop stories. So checking that understanding, if you need to go back and read that part to them, because in first grade they read pretty slow, and then they don't comprehend what they've read. So you can go back and read how they first learned if they can't tell you, because they've read kind of slow, and that is perfectly normal. Then you're going to have them finish reading to you, and then you're going to go back to those power words, those vocabulary words at the beginning. The word lesson, the word wise, the word tale, and reply. And you're going to pick 2 of the questions that are on your lesson plan for today. They're right here. I know they're backwards, but the questions are, tell me about a lesson you have learned. Number 2 is, would it be wise to ride your bike without a helmet? Why or why not? 3 is, what is your favorite tale? 4 is, what is your reply when someone tells you something that is nonsense? So those are questions that you can answer and talk with them about those. You only have to do 2 of those. And then if y'all could write those down for me on notebook paper or just a blank piece of paper, that would be great. And then you need to make sure that you're doing 2 days of iStation this week. 2 days. And don't forget about Imagine Math. So I think that is all for today. So I will see you tomorrow.